Chinesimple Chinese course has landed. We are super excited to announce that our complete HSK1 course is finally here. It's designed so you can start from scratch and be guided step by step on your language learning journey. The course offers fun, organized, guided learning, and there's no need to worry about what to study each day. Just follow the path and go at your own pace. But this isn't just any course. It was created by experienced Chinese teachers and linguists who have taught students from all over the world. They'll be with you every step of the way, as if you were one of their very own students. Throughout the course, you'll work on all the skills you need to properly learn Chinese. Speaking, yes, you'll actually talk and master pronunciation. Reading, listening, and writing. The course is split into thematic blocks covering all the HSK1 vocabulary and grammar you need, so by the time you finish, you'll be ready for the official exam. You'll learn vocabulary with flashcards, writing games, tone recognition, pinyin, and meaning matching activities. Each exercise is designed to help you practice all your skills one by one until you've cracked the basics. We know examples are key when learning a language. That's why you'll also find hundreds of phrases linked to each module, which you can practice through pronunciation games, sentence ordering, filling in the blanks, and listening exercises matching audio to text. Watch out though, you might get caught out by some of the characters. Each module also includes grammar lessons with super clear explanations and practice exercises. As you progress, the course will challenge you with increasingly complex exercises tailored to your level, including short stories to test your reading comprehension, plus fun games to put your other skills to the test. Got a question? Just click on a character or phrase to head straight to the built-in dictionary for all the info you need. Once you finish the first section, you'll move on to the skill-focused practice modules to build on what you've learned, plus exam-style modules to test your knowledge and see if you're ready for the official HSK exam. The course is designed to keep you consistent every day, especially if you turn on reminders to complete your daily task. And remember, all course content includes native audio recordings especially made for Chinesimple by a native speaker. Train your ear with real natural pronunciation from day one. And don't forget to get your certificate once you've completed the full course. Download Chinesimple by Kanji School for free and start learning Chinese today.